You found a job you'd like to work. Now let's make sure you have everything needed before the assignment begins. Depending on the assignment, your staffing agency or client may require additional information before moving forward. This could include documents such as confidentiality agreements, compliance forms, safety acknowledgments, certifications, client requirements, or assignment-specific questionnaires. If a form is required, NextCrew makes it simple to complete directly from your mobile device. Let's take a look. After you've expressed interest in a job, or after you've been selected for an assignment by your staffing agency, you'll receive a notification requesting additional information. To get started, open the NextCrew mobile app. If a form has been assigned to you, you'll see a notification or a reminder inside the app. Simply open the notification to access the form. The type of form you receive may vary depending on the assignment requirements. Some forms may be document-based forms that require you to review information, enter details, acknowledge requirements, upload supporting documents, or provide a digital signature. Other forms may be questionnaire-style forms that ask you to answer questions related to the assignment. Before completing any form, be sure to carefully review all instructions and information provided. If the form requires information from you, enter the requested details in the appropriate fields. If supporting documentation is required, you can upload the requested files directly through the form using your camera or by selecting images from your device. If a signature is required, simply complete the digital signature section directly within the form before submitting. Once you've reviewed all information and completed all required fields, tap Submit. Your completed form will automatically be sent to your staffing agency for review. In some cases, you may also receive a feedback form after completing an assignment. Certain assignments may include a feedback form to help clients and staffing agencies gather feedback and improve future experiences. These forms may ask questions about the assignment, work environment, facility, supervisor, or overall job experience. If a feedback form is assigned to you, simply review the questions and provide your responses before submitting. Your feedback helps staffing agencies improve future assignments and better support both workers and clients. These forms help staffing agencies and clients collect information needed for specific assignments and ensure all requirements have been completed before work begins. Completing required forms helps your staffing agency review your information and move forward with the assignment process. That's why it's important to review and submit any requested forms as soon as possible. With NextCrew, assignment-specific forms are easy to access, simple to complete, and securely submitted, all in one place. Thank you for using NextCrew.